Here I am at 3,000 feet, and it's just a beautiful, clear, calm morning. So I killed my engine, and I'm just going to float down for a while, and then I plan on restarting here at a few hundred feet. This is Memorial Day weekend, so it's kind of the start of summer. Nice and quiet up here, except for the wind whistling through the lines. I'm descending at about 420 feet per minute. I'm at 2,200 feet right now. I don't want my engine to cool off so much that I can't prime it. There's my landing zone right down there. It's right behind Super Walmart. Go ahead and shut it off and check my engine, make sure I can still restart without priming it.